In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to connect Calendly to your Zoom. So this is really simple to do. Firstly, you want to make sure that you are signed into your account in Calendly. And then you want to go to integrations and apps. And from here, we can connect our Zoom. So it's first option, as you can see. So you want to click on Zoom. And now you have two ways how you can connect it. So you can set it up firstly for your organization. So set up on behalf of all your users, and you can also set it up for only yourself. And then you can automatically create Zoom meetings at the time an event is scheduled. So if I click on connect Zoom for myself, and you want to just basically allow all those permissions or access. So allow this app to use my shared access permissions, and then you want to allow it. Zoom account connected using my email address or my account, and now we can let's say if I go back and I will create a meeting in Calendly. So I'll create new meeting, let's say one-on-one. And from here I want to choose Zoom. So you can see I will choose location as Zoom, then create. Now we want to pick a date and time when the meeting will be. So let's say I will open this and we will choose today. So today is now 18, and let's say, I don't know, 11 a.m. next. And we want to enter those details for the meeting. So as a name, I will type, let's say, Zoom test. And then you want to click on schedule event. And now if I open Zoom, you can see there are no upcoming meetings. And if I refresh it, we should see, all right, there is it. So if you are on this main homepage of Zoom, you want to click on visit meetings. And you will see that there is this meeting and the time is set for US and Canada. So that's why is it not 11 a.m. All right, so this is basically it. This is how you can connect Calendly to your Zoom. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.